What is good, gang? Let's go. Yow. Show. Yo, let's go. Sumita, good morning, Grand Rising, DC Trading and Family. Let's go. I like that. I like the ring of that, Antonio Parker. DC Trading and Family. You guys are now family. Good morning, brother Rista. What's up? What's up? How's the morning going? What's up, good? Yo, I'm far from a god, but yeah. What's up, JJ? How's it going? Mark, always good to have you on stream. Always good to have you. Good afternoon. Hope it's sunny over there, bright and sunny. Okay, wait, let me just remove. JR, any news announcements for today? Let's find out. In 15 minutes we have Bank of Japan governor speaking, and today we have GBP HBI. What is HBI? Alright, house price index. That is very interesting. What is up, Ashish? How's it going? Ed, good morning. How's everyone doing? Very interesting, honestly, but yeah. I tried to break it down this morning. It's very messy, honestly. I don't like the charts right now. We're in very choppy ranges, right? If we look at it, extremely choppy ranges is what I can tell you personally. But yeah, judging from the way everything is setting up, right? So judging from the way everything is setting up, it looks like it's about to continue, like especially GJ when we look at it, right? This is the previous daily high, 629. So once we break that, we should continue. Pimpin' Pips, good morning, yo. What's good, fam? How's everybody doing? Let's get this house absolutely popping off. Yeah, today I'm wearing sleeveless because it's so hot out here, man. I'm not even kidding, it's way too hot. 8 a.m. here, coffee and charts. I'm in no positions right now, but we could be by the end of the session. Let's see. Actually, by London Open we could be in a few positions. That's what I'm thinking. That's awesome, Pimpin' Pips. Everything good? Everyone's got their coffee. Everyone's got, I think for Mark, he's getting his lunch ready. Alright, 164. So look at this monthly candle, okay? Do you all believe GJ can continue without a monthly bottom wick? You know, can GJ actually continue without a monthly bottoming? You know, which is really interesting. So anyway, on the weekly time frame, we are going to be approaching this resistance. Right over here on the weekly. As we go the daily time frame, same thing right over here. So if we are to start breaking above, you know the vibe. 165 500 to around 800. Two key psychological levels for GJ. Alright, so if GJ starts breaking up, what could we expect? So we have our daily support down here, yeah, at 950, coming down to the 4-hour time frame. That's the 4-hour support too. So I'd say that's pretty good. We have like a nice 5 pip zone right over here, 950 to around 163 flat. Key psychological levels, right? Sengi, I have doubled my account. Insane. You don't have to call me sir, just call me DC. I'm completely fine with that. Samita monthly has a nipple wick. Yeah, it's really small, like it's tiny, right? Where did it start? April started somewhere here. Yeah, this was April 1st. Yep, look at that tiny wick. But yeah, let's see what happens to it right now. So this is the previous daily high. We want to see if we'd be strong enough, right? We have the 4-hour low. So if we break this 4-hour low, we know we're moving down. I'm just gonna hold this level on the 4-hour time frame because we're gonna have to come down pretty far, right, for that. And what I can say is we have created a nice little 1-hour support with a nice 30 pip range, you can say, on the 300 level. Yep. So GJ has some good sells below this level. So if the London 1-hour closes below this level, it'll be really good. I don't know, GJ just feels weirdly choppy, to be honest. Yes, Samita, I got my challenge renewed and it's on MT5, so it's pretty good. Learn to earn. Hey man, how's it going? What's poppin'? Alright, so right now we can see that we're rejecting this level on GJ. We really don't have anything to do with buys, I'm gonna be honest. If you look at the chart, you'll see yourselves having anything to do with buys. I personally don't see any form of buys. So yeah, this is a 60 pip range. I personally don't see any form of buys, I'm not gonna lie. Yep, they gave in MT5 right now. Monthly time frame on EJ. 136 500 is a key level. Okay, 136,500 to around 137, let's say. There you go. Let's get these pips tried and welcome to the stream. Monthly candle, we have a really nice clean one towards the left. Okay, we got some consolidations towards the right. So we're talking about these levels right over here, 825, and then we have these levels right over here at 580. EJ on the sell side would be so nice because we have flat candle body, everything. You can see EJ 4 hour faked out twice at this level, at the 550 level. Uh, 550, let's go 600. There you go, that's the level I'm gonna be looking at. As of now, I'm still waiting for this daily 4 hourly level to play out. At 700, we have a key level at 700. Thank you, Sumita. Yes, guys, drop a like for an absolute banger session we're gonna have today. $650 is what I would say. Yep. Alright, you see the 4 hour has been just tapping into these ranges, so I don't want to take part in that. If, let's see, how much have we pushed? 40% we've pushed up over here. The hourly time frame, we have a support right over here, same as GJ, but this is at a key level, so that's good. We can take these sells. Yeah, 136 flat. Give me a second, I'll take a look at you. YouTube monetization not on my channel. No ads. Alright. So EJ is now pushing up, as we can see, but the problem with this, on the higher time frames, we've been rejecting this area so much, so we got to be careful with EJ today. Alright, we need to see what London volume is going to do today on EJ. Padmavati, what's good? How's it going? 43 of us, guys, come on, as you come and drop a like so we can get this video after this stream popping off. I don't like gold and GJ right now, looking ugly, very ugly. K-Light, I'm not even gonna lie. Look at GJ. There's we don't have any room to trade it, but yeah, the only thing you could have done on GJ is bought at the break of this resistance up a good 15 pips or whatever it moved. Even then it wasn't really nice, to be honest, but yeah, it's right now the market is just a little weird. Let's just let it settle down for some time. We need to see the market start moving properly. Let's see gold. So we're coming up to monthly resistance on gold. Will we reject or continue up? What do you guys say? Alright, look at that monthly resistance, okay, on gold. And then we have the weekly resistance up here. So what could we possibly look at? We have our weekly support which we formed. 1915. There you go, 1920. Yeah, look at that level. Held so strong for a really long time. So yeah, where we are seated at right now is a pretty crucial daily level, is what I'm gonna say. 1970, 500 should be good, and 1976. Because look at this daily rejections, right? To the left we have daily rejections on gold from this level, so we have to kind of break above this level to see any movement. So let's see on the 4-hour time frame. 1977. Yeah, on the 4-hour time frame, look at gold. We have a flat candle body resistance at 1977. Right, so we're gonna wait for that move, and we can take it based off of cleaner traffic close by. Okay, there's not much clean traffic close by, but we can anticipate a move up to 19 or 2000. Yeah, that's if we start breaking on the 4-hour time frame. $1965 500. $1964. Alright, you see the levels we are marking, right? GJ is nice, bro. Who said it's ugly? 4-hour structure looks neat and clean. Yeah, but the 4-hour has no clean traffic, nothing. GJ is just pushing. I think GJ is gonna go. Oh man. What are we talking about on GJ? EJ also pushing up. But the thing is, what are your targets over here? Everything is a little dirty on the left. We could expect to come into this rejection zone, then what? So now we're in this rejection zone. Now what are we gonna do? Have we finished the news? What is the news? So was it good? Oh no, not yet. So I'm guessing the JPY guy is speaking right now, of some sort, right? That push on GJ was pure news. Yeah, most likely was pure news. Look at that. What is that now? 50 pips? Yeah, 50 pips. That was just pure news. That we can't do nothing much about it. Yeah, Asian session could have been a only cash for buys based on this 4-hour closure. Alright, based on this 4-hour closure you could have taken buys, but yeah, I personally wouldn't have taken it. because I don't like Asian session, not gonna lie. So you'd have taken it like this, Asian session stops the PE, and right now you could have been up 60-70 pips. So yeah, let's see what happens now. Will it correct the entire way? Will it give us a massive rejection from the upside? Let's see. CPI news. Why am I not seeing this news on my... Let's check Forex live. Okay, at 11:30 a lot of news came out. CPI, okay. My bad, I didn't see this news. Is it not there on Forex Factory? Okay, 11:30. What's the time now? 11:52. Fair enough. What is GJ gonna do now? On the 15-minute, this is the high. 30-minute too. It's on my first one. Saw it. Hey Chi-Word, what's up? Chung Chi, what? Mario, what's good, my friend? $63. All right, we've got good zones over here, but as of now there's not much sign on GJ or EJ or whatever. Gold is looking bearish on you, Antonio Parker. Good night, good morning. Tracy Smith, good morning. What's good? Gold is falling. Yeah, apparently gold is falling. Let's see if we can create this market structure that would be appealing to us, right? Lower high. We have lower lows over here. So if we break this support, we should be good to continue down on gold. Is what I would assume, because now we've come into this big rejection zone, right? Let's see how price action plays out. What do you all think about the 30-minute close? What do you all think about the 30-minute close on gold? No problem, man. Priyank Gaming, no problem. One hour, 45 minute, half an hour. None of them have a top wick. None of them have a top wick, honestly, and we have this nice clean traffic to the left. Once we break below 700 at least. We have 4 minutes on gold. Let's just give it a break and wait for it. Let's see how we can get it up. This looks really good to continue down. I think what we should wait is, see, we can't have two candles back to back with no top wick, so we can wait for the next candle to make a top wick and then use that candle high as the stop loss and then wait for it to flip and then take the trade. 700 would be like our positions. Let's see, let's wait for a nice little closure over here. GBP JPY, there's a clean traffic range up to this level over here. Lower time frames, do we see anything in our way in the lower time frames also? It's a nice clean move up. Where are we on GJ? We're breaking above everything. 30-minute candle. You think the next 30-minute candle can wake up and continue? But I think gold... Gold does look interesting, I'm not gonna lie. But I wanted to close nicely. Yeah, now gold looks good. Let's let the next candle make a top wick and then we can take gold back down. Yeah, I think gold flip would be the move, right? Nice candle flip. Let me just get everything set up right now for the trade. Let's get magic keys open. I think GJ is going to continue pushing. Come on, guys. Who's ready for some bangers? If GJ keeps pushing up, gold should push down, right? And if GJ closes above our range over here at 164, I think we should be good to move. Right? Okay, GJ didn't close above our range. Gold, we need that top wick first. Come on, man. Give us that top wick and then come down. So we can have... Guys, no, we're not trying to jump into this. You can see no top wick. This also can't not have a top wick, right? Let it come up, reject a level and then start breaking down. We can take it as we start breaking these lows again once we create a top wick. Continue up. $1967 300, but don't activate it as yet. Don't activate it as yet. I'm just drawing levels over here. We're not activating it as yet because we need a top wick, guys. We're not activating it as yet. We need a top wick. Let me just check my gold chart. Switch around. Let's get a top wick on that, honestly. Alright, for me it will be the 200 level. I need gold to make a top wick. We're not getting into this until gold makes a top wick, because then we can determine stop losses and everything. Make a top wick, gold, come on. Let it make a nice top wick and then start driving down. Gold on the daily closed above resistance. Guys, a little dangerous. The 4-hour closure below this support would be nice, of course, right? Re-entering the previous range. I just think, alright, let's wait and see what happens. Is gold not going to make a top wick? Are we going to have two back-to-back candles just going down, no top wick on the 30-minute time frame? GJ. Nah. It's almost traveled the entire distance. What's the point in trying now? Right, so let's wait. Yeah, maybe we can wait for a retest of this high at 700 and then check if we can get it. Yeah, we can wait for a 4-hour candle close. So the dangerous thing about gold over here is we're at the daily flip level. You can see this daily flip level. If we reject the daily flip, it could be dangerous for us. Amit Acharya, what's up, man? Hello. Do you use any kind of EA or automated trading? The only EA I use is here, on-screen magic keys. That's for trade management. Yeah, that is purely for trade management. That's for trading. So I manage my trades using this. Once I click open trade, close trade, everything on this EA, which is magic keys. I'm waiting for gold to break 1964. Yeah, 1964 is the level I originally marked for gold sells. Right? It seems kind of fakey. Yep. We gotta be careful of gold. We don't want to give it back. Will GJ have a pullback? You know, everything that starts moving up should have a pullback. Let's see what GJ does. I really want to take GJ, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe we can take it at the break of this high to continue. It's just that GJ can pull back so far, you know, so that's why I don't want to play with it too hard. Because look at this. Gold, eh? Let's see, if gold starts rejecting and starts coming down, I don't mind taking it. But look at this previous 5-minute candle with such a big wick. Let's see. I'd say be careful. All right. On the 30-minute time frame, rebreaking these lows at 200 could be a possibility. Remember, safe sells below this level over here. We have safe sells below 1964 on the 40-minute time frame. 1964 safe sells once we start closing below. Could this 30-minute continue down? Very true, but remember the 30-minute tapped into this daily flip zone and went right back. But yes, if y'all are getting into this, make sure y'all are managing your risk, right? You can use the 30-minute high as your stop loss, but I suggest this. We are rejecting a daily level, so be cautious on gold. Overall time frames are buy bias. The seller time frame confirmation will come from here. 4R, you see this 4R level? Once we close below this level is 4R. Because of inflation. 1 second, I'm not able to read all your chats. I'm tempted to sell GJ, I'm not gonna lie. That's so true. I think on-screen magic keys are fantastic, but I don't mind off-screen also. I'm coding a strategy where EA trades for me are predetermined. Predefined set of conditions I will provide you when I finish in this week for backtesting. That is interesting. I'd really like to see if that works out. If GJ 30-minute candle closes below 163.750, I will sell it. To be honest, because no bottom wick on this push, and I think I will get it. Possibly, it'll get corrected. Give the gold low and high target. Yep. Let's wait for it to approach 1964 first. Programmer plus trader, no doubt, that's phenomenal. Okay, I think gold entering sell here. Be careful. Immobile. Be careful. I think not good for sell. Yep, I think you should be careful of yourselves. For me, 1964 is my sell target. So until then, I'm not selling gold. These were just the risky sells we had discussed earlier. And plus, that's good. Your sell stop shouldn't have been activated only because like we didn't create a big enough top wick, right? So you want gold to create a top wick and break down, right? So yeah, Westwood is good. Near term, it's go up 2000. You never know. Gold, could we buy off this support? 1 hour candle has no top wick. And gold is in a long term buy, right? Predefined, let me know. I could make an EA for you, either for just alert or even send and close. Yeah. Your liquidity killer, what we did decide was gold sells below 1964 45-minute time frame. Ooh, GJ is pulling back. I want GJ 30-minute to create resistance and then break above it. I'll let you know, Priyank, if I do have a predetermined. I don't think I have a predefined. Gold 45-minute time frame. This could be a nice little buy-up. But again, gold, I'm looking for buys above 1977. What about you guys? Eight of you all live with us. What's poppin', fam? What is an FVG? Okay, I will give you my EA exclusive for you, but want 1 week of free membership, please. Yeah, 1 week of free membership for everybody. Oh. Fair value gap. Alright, alright. Oh, that's an SMC thing, right? (1964, 1984) Jayanta. Alright, there you go. Imbalance. Yeah, that's something I understand. So Tito, what's poppin', FX fam? Let me see what levels we can have. Buy go 1984 after drop 1764. Oh damn. 1984 to 1764. 1964. Okay. So first it goes to alright. Guys, stay hydrated. Let's see what we can find. Yeah, this looks like it could work. It has to wick fill, then yeah. That's it. If this 15-minute candle closes above this level, we can take the trade. Alright guys, come on, send me some charts or something. Show me what y'all are looking at. Evan Christian. We're still looking at gold, Evan Christian. There's so many rejections, right? 1972. That's the 1 hour close to. Yeah, on GJ, if we close nice and strong up here, we could get a continuation push. $19,700, 1972. Let's take a look at 1972. That's a good level, 1972. This chart is for quick scalpers. Alright, Priyank, fair enough. This was a nice easy trade on GJ, honestly. Gold, the 1 hour has no top wick, just as we have spoken about it previously. You don't set, sorry. No liquidity. I think even in the desktop version, you can just copy your chart, right? Yeah, all you have to do is just copy link to chart image. Just copy that link and send it. Come on, GJ, what are we selling off for? Just copy the images, it won't paste on YouTube. Okay, 1 second, let's just... Alright, that's good. I got closed buy position on gold at 1966. Wow. Oh wait, you got closed out. That sucks. You can send it on Discord, yeah. Gold is looking like a sell. Yeah, JBiggs, gold is looking like a sell as soon as we break 1964 is the plan. But now since the 15-minute created a support, if we break this 15-minute support, I will get into it. K-Lite, I took 23 pips profit. Damn. Jagoda, you don't set the bus stop, I guess buy stop? No, there's nothing to set right now on them. $17 pip stop, no. Nah, that don't work for me. Let's see. Will this close up or not? So the next 30-minute we could wait for the wick and take it once it breaks this current 30-minute high at like 960. have your stops below whatever that candle's wick, and then look for continuation. You get what I mean? But it's like buying really high, you know. It's like how they say buy low, sell high, right? It feels like you're buying really high, to be honest. I think, you know, we need to be careful of gold, right? You guys don't want to get scammed. You wait for gold to break 1977. Or can I bring it down to 1976? Oh no, if you all want clean gold buys, you gotta wait. And remember guys, I'm not telling you all not to trade your own plan. Go ahead and trade your own plan. I'm just trading a lot more conservatively, right? Because we're trading live on YouTube. So I take like highly probable trades. So you guys can, you know, risk it much more than I can. Is that an 800 level? It's a 20 pip range. So GJ coming back down. Five minutes left. JJ. I'm already okay. Let me check Discord. Sorry. Evan Christian got your chart. So your plan on gold. Okay, so this is the 50% retracement. For the fib double rejection, your plan is to buy it, eh? Sorry, EMAS dollar. What is that? Okay, that's gold, right? 1970, 19. That is interesting. What is EMAS dollar? I feel that GJ will make a retracement all the way back to 162,400. It's a possibility, you know. But what we need to start seeing is don't sell GJ until we have like proper sell confirmations. And if this is your sell confirmation, then by all means go for it. I'm not stopping you from that. What chart? Take little profit from buy. Okay. Tracy Smith, LMAO. That's so true. I think all of us, when we are left alone, right? All of us, when we're left alone, take cowboy entries. I'm a victim to cowboy entries, right? Impulse entries, jumping in. Who's not a victim to impulse cowboy entries, right? Alright, it's golden. Hassa, Indonesian and Malaysia. Amazing. We learn a new thing every day, you know. Hello traders, good afternoon. Welcome to the stream, Shubham Dawood. This using same concept tool trade in Indian index trade and made good profit. Fantastic, Viz. Dubs for you for the morning. EJ. bum, bum, bum. Hello to all of you. Yeah, yesterday I'm down 0.5% trying to be a cowboy. Yeah, guys, let's not be cowboys, eh? Gold is going to sell. Is gold going to sell is the question. 1 hour is an open USD JPY. I'm so sorry. I'm immobile. Wow. Look at this. No trades called yet, Eugene. So where is your targets on USD JPY? We have to go to 2015 again. Honestly, I'm not sure. Yeah, UJ is pushing up, no doubt, but it's just me personally. I'm not sure about UJ. Man. Whoever's holding UJ buys from down here from 2020. 2,300 pips. Oh, we get that on gold every 3 weeks, so it's fine. Right? Do we not get that on gold every 3 weeks? Price action today is a little choppy, lads. Let's just wait it out. Don't jump the gun. Bum 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 bum. It's going to retrace the resistance for sure, K-line. I think gold break 1968. I think gold making clean sell. Interesting. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. What are we talking about, J-Biggs? Bro, you trade pre-London, Rajiv Kumar. We don't exactly trade pre-London, but we come and analyze the charts. If we see a good setup, then yeah. It's a Bob Marley song. My bad. I haven't listened to much Bob Marley. Gold showing divergence in 1 hour chart. Very good. I'm super excited and happy for gold now. The thing is, gold, see, this is all choppy. Stop loss matters was here 1 minute ago. Fantastic. Max is a great trader. Are we waiting to buy or sell GBP JPY? We are waiting to find out what GBP JPY wants to give us. Right? So we need to see some form of direction because we just made this move. Right? So let's wait and see what's happening now. We have closed below resistance and the rejection range. Let's see. 750. Yeah, K-Light, you only should send it from the /X. You see the chart right here? Only from the /X. Right, so when you post it, only from the /X. You see that? Or let's send only that chart. Euro JPY. What do you think? Could we get a drop like this? Four-hour time frame closes in 2 hours. Gold sells coming in. We need gold to break this support. I hope GJ gives us a buy again. Yeah, that would be nice. If those are just gonna absolutely fly by us, yeah. You can send it on the Discord server, yeah. General chat is right there. Or trade ideas, depending on what it is. Let's check out GBP USD as someone has asked us. GBP USD breaking daily. No way. No way. GBP USD. Once we break this low, we should be good to go. Right? You see that right there? So now the 30-minute is making the top wick, right? If we do come down and break this low, that will be good to go. What is that? 6 pip stops. You can make it 6.5 pip stops. So keep readjusting your stop loss based on that. GBP USD looks good for a sell. The only thing towards the right that we can actually look at ooh, GBP USD, we got a beautiful move. So manage your risk. It should just be a small 6 pip stop. But this is only a 10 pip range imbalance, which is sad. So yeah, so for me that's done. Sam looking to join the Bangers only squad. Oh, definitely. I shall let you all know. The update is coming soon. Sent on trade ideas. That is my condition to buy just now. Okay, let me just check it. Trade ideas. Firstly, love the colors. White and orange works beautifully. Gold spot 5-minute candle. You're waiting for the break of this low to get in. Oh wait, you're in a buy. You're in a buy from here. Okay. I'm guessing red is for loss, right? Geo, there you go. So now if you're in this trade, right, you would have had your 6.5 pip stop. Bring it to break even, because you don't want price to flip up again, right? So you can put your TPs at around 15 pips, I would say. This should continue moving down. Gold coming down. Can we break? Can we break the lows on gold and continue? Interesting. EJ moving up. We're right at the resistance, you know, that makes me so unsure about EJ. Otherwise, normally if this same pattern had to happen somewhere here, I would have taken that. Like right over here, I would have taken the break of this 30-minute high right over here. With my stops below this current candle. I would have taken that for sure. Because that's how the pattern normally plays out, but yeah. Gold is pushing down. So the question is, will gold respect the daily and move up, or what? We're breaking below. Alright, so now we can wait. Gold is slowly trying to break below. I want to see it continuing. How many pips would that be? That's almost 10 pips. Interesting. Is this enough topic for gold? Daily time frame. Look at how we're rejecting on the daily. We'd be completely bearish when we break once we break 1964. That's why I'm so ready for 1964 sells. Yeah, Sumita, just hold off and wait. Yep, let's just wait for this honestly to close. 30-minute, if we close like this, you have a clean range to the downside. But look, can you see we're rejecting this daily level, which is very important to look at. So that's why we need to go break down below 1964. Right, let's look at the 45-minute time frame. Look at that. Once we break below 1964, man, we be moving at that point. We can expect to drop at least like 40 pips, yeah. Will GJ give us the move? Potential sell, current candle. No, Suru. I don't see the potential, sir. Is MFF global? Can I take it even if I'm from a different country? Yo, MFF is completely international. I'm 1% up. Yesterday 0.5% loss. Alright. USD JPY and NZD USD moving strong, Kenny. USD JPY must be flying at the moment. Yep, gold did respect the trend line. So I'm not really sure, man. I don't want to sell GJ right now, but look at those rejections from the top upside. We need some form of like support to be created and then a break of that support. It looks good. Like, look at the amount of rejections we're having from 800. So if I bring this back to 800, look at that. We're not able to stay above 800. So maybe the next 15-minute. This is the previous daily high. I so badly don't want a FOMO, man. GJ potential. Okay, the Geo trade was nice. Yeah, the Geo trade was pretty good. Plain and simple. It moved up 10 pips. Wow. Okay. Alright, JBiggs, I see you. GJ grabbed liquidity to make a pivot downward. So see, now if we do this, okay, and the next, let's say 15-minute comes and closes below support right over, then I wouldn't mind taking a small sell. But that also will just be a risky sell. That's just a risky sell. And that's not a trade I would potentially call out for all of you guys. Akan. Yo, like how many pairs are you all trying to focus on? 1 or 2. Yep, 1 to 2 is mostly GJ, gold and EJ. Don't keep jumping. Yep. GJ, EJ and gold are my favorite pairs to trade, and that's the only pairs I've taken trades on. Akan, capital, what's your win rate, to be honest? It's around 50 to 60%, I would say, on you know, because I would say on gold my win rate is higher because I'm very, very cautious on gold. And I'd say on GJ my win rate is slightly lesser because I take more trades on GJ. Right, so on gold I would say like a 70% win rate. On GJ I would say like a 50 to 60% win rate. But if you'll see, like I risk manage like crazy. So even on GJ and EJ and everything, the maximum losses I take are like 3 to 4 to 5 pip losses, and most of it just gets stopped out at break even. Otherwise it's the normal 10 pipper, you know, liquidity killer. 43 pips on GU, then closed 80%. Intense, beautiful stuff. Right? So Akan Capital, I hope that was Akan Capital. I hope that answered your question. Thank you guys for the subs. Plus, it's too late to enter a sell on GJ now. Yeah. We need a proper, like, you need to see a bearish confirmation, right? The only thing we're seeing on GJ right now as bearish confirmation is the 5-minute rejections on rejections on rejections. Why is my chance acting sus? Look at the 30-minute. So where did that zone go? That is so sus, but yeah. What? I had such a nice zone drawn over here. Did you guys see that? The gold zone just disappeared. That is messed up. Alright, gold still rejecting this level, so be really careful. Tell when we should sell in GJ, alright? The zone melted, literally. And EJ, if we get some nice bearish closures, I don't mind taking sells from this level. Not even gonna lie. Look how many times we've rejected this level. I really wouldn't mind taking EJ sells. Okay, question for everyone. Is UJ a good pair to trade? Because I don't know, today I'm just seeing a whole lot of UJ in the chat. I'm seeing a whole lot of UJ, so tell me. Is UJ a good pair to trade? Gold had a nice break, but we're right at this daily level. Let's just wait for our plan, right? Our plan is 45-minute time frame, double bottom right over here. Lower highs, we need to break these lows for lower lows, right? So in order to follow this plan, right, we need to break these lows. Alright, Padmavati. So Padmavati, do you think it's good enough to add to the watch list? To be added to the watch list? How can I send you my chart? You can either send me a chart in Discord or send it to me on Instagram also, no problem. Alright, let's look at GJ. GJ looks like it's coming down. EJ doesn't look like it's coming down. Alright, careful guys, do not FOMO. I want this candle on GJ to close bullish, right? And then the next candle break this low to come down. That'll be damn nice, I'm not even gonna lie. Send it on IG, alright. Ooh, beautiful. ICT concept, alright. Low already taken, we make money every day, beautiful. This small correction was to manipulate people into thinking gold was going to correct the whole entire downward move. TP was set to an equal low, take profit and now wait. Beautiful. JVX, you're winning today. Beautiful stuff. Dude, if any more zones disappear, I'm gonna lose it. I didn't buy premium for no reason. Alright, gold is melting now. But that's very slow. Gold 10 pips usually happens in like 3 to 5 seconds. So on GJ, could we respect this level and the next candle come and close below the support? What do you guys think? Let's just stay safe, guys. You know, the markets are moving a little bit differently. Let's just stay safe. No need to force a trade. Gold is slow today, very slow. So that's why I'm saying don't force a trade. You might just get burned, eh? I took a sell when I sent it on the chat. Beautiful, JBiggs. Is it right to sell on gold on 50-minute time frame? I don't think so. Can you show your today's analysis? Yeah, so today's analysis is actually, you know, all these pairs are super choppy right now. I was waiting to take some buys above this level, but it wasn't in my session, so I didn't take buys above this level. So today, honestly, I'm waiting for clarity in the market, because right now we don't have clarity in the market, right? So we need GJ to start either showing us signs of rejection or signs of breaking out above this. So which one it shows us, that's not for me to decide or be able to predict it, right? I can try to predict it, but I mean it's not going to be helpful for either one of us. Gold still doing its fancies. GBP USD. The markets are slow. Is this just this Easter thing? You selling GJ if GJ sells? So what I want to see is a support being formed right over here, right? A nice support being formed and then a break below this level. And I will say I will be interested. Not for sure taking it, but that's where I will be interested. Yeah. Is that clean candle to the left referred as an imbalance? Yep. Wherever price hasn't tapped into a range, it's called an imbalance basically. So where you had like a clean move. So right over here, right, this would be considered an imbalance, right? Because price has moved to this area and nothing has come to it in the recent past. Nothing has tapped it. So yeah. Guys on the Discord, feel free to unmute and say what's up. If any of y'all, if the rest of y'all also want to join us on Discord, feel free to join us on Discord. Is the okay? Euro. Yeah. So if So if in this region you have like small wicks coming down and everything, right, then this imbalance won't be considered, right? It's here where nothing has tapped it, that's why it is an imbalance. Okay, let's just check this up now. GJ 5 minute. No, prior to it not necessarily. Prior to that you don't have to care about. $23 pips. Gold planning to go down. Yeah, we're hoping on gold planning to go down. As of now, gold planning to range and irritate everyone today on a Wednesday. Wednesday is supposed to be the best trading day of the week, but gold's just planning to remove that. For a lot of trade, you see that? You see the gold zone just disappeared. Where did it go? And why did it go? Where's it going? Oh, my trading view is so messed up. I'd say GJ buys, GJ buys. EJ buys look pretty decent if we break this previous high over here. So on the 30-minute time frame we close bullish, right? And then we take it once we break the previous high, basically. Let's break this entire... Where did my yellow line go? Oh. What is this nonsense? 650. Well, look at EJ rejecting. This is... Next time save the chart, then reload the chart. I didn't reload the chart, that's the crazy part. Close above high on EJ or just a break? Honestly, I would expect just a break to continue pushing it. But look at the amount of wicks in this region. Man, the markets are getting frustrating these last 2 days. Because it's not giving you any clean moves, right? How many of y'all would sell GJ if we broke this low? 10 pip stop, 25 pip target. How many of y'all would? I'm not saying before anyone thinks I'm in this stream. JBiggs would, alright. Let me check your chart out, K-Light. Let's check this chart out. Beautiful. Range 1 breakout sell opportunities if candles close in this area. Target TP sell, but that's too small. So if you're looking at that, right, that's too small. That's like 18 pips, right? Oh wait, okay, wait, let me just compare it. 30-minute time frame. Alright, 30-minute time frame. So you're talking about from this low to this low. That's 20 pips. I just feel that's a little small for gold, you know. Gold, I rather take it in like an 80 pip range or something. Alright, who else? Gold looks like it's going up. I think stop loss matters took gold out, right? Yeah, stop loss matters also took gold. 11 pip L. Yeah, so K-Light, look at this, okay? Once we break below this range, we have space to come down all the way to here. That's around 70 pips, you see that? So I rather take it in this range than the minor 30-minute range that we have here. Right? Higher time frame has better sell opportunities. EJ buys from here would have been so good. Oh, I'm trying not to force a trade in, guys. I don't want us to force a trade in. Yeah, GJ should sell below this 30-minute wick. But again, like I said, this is just an idea. Right? Because we've been rejecting. Look at this. We've rejected all those levels. So I do feel like GJ can continue down. Not gonna lie. If we break that low. Let's see where my magic key is at. Let's it looks interesting. I'm not sure. I will tell you all if I'm actually looking at it. I will tell you guys. There'll be the break of the 1 hour low also, 2 hour low also. There'll be a rejection. Let's see what GJ does. Alright, I will actually take this when we break the 30-minute low. 684 675. Yeah, because look at the previous 30-minute big rejection wick. So I don't mind taking this if we break this. So we keep seeing how price reacts, and if price doesn't come down and starts breaking these highs, then we don't take this. And as soon as we hit this zone, we break even. Will we get the move? It doesn't feel like the market has a required volume. Waiting low volume. Yeah, it looks like low volume. Delta UK, yep, but GJ is also in this major rejection, right? We got a big rejection from the upside. So the only reason we're looking for this is if we get a corrective move on this news candle. Men with Boozer, what is good? Hey man, how's it going? Put a sell stop, yup, 163675. You're from Nepal, I'm from India. You use on 100k, I would use a 10 lot because that's 1% risk on a 10 pip stop, right? Because I risk one. Yeah. Once you enter the trade, you gotta manage this. That's a good one. Volume is looking very shabby today. Are we gonna have to backtest today also? I'll tell you guys when I get activated. I'll remove the sell stop. Alright, so if the 15-minute closes this way, that will not be what I want to stay in because these are rejection candles, right? We are getting rejection candles right now. What is this? 800 level? And once it breaks this previous high, I'm out. Like, I'll close the stop. Because that shows that disrespected the candle market structure. EJ about a break. There's such low volume, you know. So the only thing with EJ is you're buying super high. EJ broke. $650, let's say 10 pips up. That's that much. Such low volume, guys. Be careful. Have we broken the previous? No, we haven't yet. Man, today is gonna be another boring day, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, there you go. I'm out of GJ. So delete the buy stops. Delete the sell stop. There is no London volume as per what I'm looking at. Let's see if the EJ analysis plays out. Same, haven't taken any trade today either. I like how EJ is moving. Haven't taken any trade today. I like how EJ is moving just because we didn't have a buy stop on it, eh? Come on, lads. So EJ is moving because we didn't have a buy stop on it? What's it? If you're in on EJ, stops the break even. If you're in on EJ, stops the break even. This could continue up. If GJ continues up, EJ also will continue up nicely. So EJ broke this zone really well. Did we close below or above this resistance? Okay, this should continue up on EJ. Come on, EJ. Gold moving back up. Damn. Volume is kicking in. All right. GJ is going to close in some time. So could we close above this resistance and get more GJ buys in? EJ moving to TP. EJ smashes TP. I think it will be this week away and concentrate. I think I will watching Raja New York sessions. There is nothing happening and forcing trades is a slow death. That's so true. The markets are terribly boring. EU is looking bullish, volume kicking in. Sorry, Raja, New York sessions, that is true. Look at this. It just moved 10 pips and stopped. How boring is that? Man, I don't know. Come on, guys. It is boring. I don't know why the markets have been so slow in the London session. The markets have just been terribly slow. Yo, I just drank a strawberry milkshake. Gold is moving up. This previous 1 hour doesn't have a bottom wick, so that'll be the 3 hour top wick being created. Sorry, 1 hour didn't have a top wick. Now this will be the 3 hour top wick creation. What are these market conditions, honestly? EJ with rejection, but at least you'd have got 10 pips if you win. It just tapped 750 and just came right back down. Is this a 1 hour wick fill? Nine minutes left on this 15-minute candle. 1 minute. Alright, EJ, GJ. I do think we can get a nice GJ pull up now if this 15-minute breaks this way. We just have to be cautious of 164. GBP USD with the direct rejection. Man, who even wants to trade today? I don't want to trade today even. This is boring. What just happened? Is there news right now? 1:30. What's the time right now? 122. Euro news is coming out. Wait, what just happened? What was this move? What was the move on GJ? Patience is key. Yup, just wait for it, guys. 20 pip stop loss, 10 pip TP smashed. Rista. I'm not doing. Buy above 163,900. Yeah, that's what even I was looking at. But something just rejected like massively. What just happened is classic Forex price action. The I and gold, right? Yep. Why are you sorry, Rista? You don't have to be sorry. EJ back. Next EJ buys above. Man, that was weird on GJ. Brother, do you use fib? I've never see you use fibs on your trades, so that means I don't use fibs. I don't like using fibs. I think gold sell. Where does it show you gold sell? Right? You can see it's only bullish. So until we break 1964 to create our first bearish market structure, right, to create those lower lows, you don't have any sells on gold. All right. Some form of volatility in the markets right now. There's nothing that says sell on gold. In fact, gold is buying up right now. Look at that. You could have just bought off the daily open and look at that. 65 pips. I don't see anything, you know, that says gold sells. What, 116 of us and only 53 likes? Come on, guys. What are we talking about? Yeah, on the 15-minute Lamial, you see it. If we close this. Big rejections. Big fake out on EJ. EJ, once it closes like that, that's a big fake out. Look at that. Gold will shoot up 1981. The possibilities are endless. All we can say for now on gold is if we continue bullish market structure, right, we're gonna go up to 19, even 2000 if we want to, right? If we continue with bearish market structure, right, we will continue down, right? So that's what I think you need to look at. 30-minute closing interesting on GJ, I'm not gonna lie. This should be the 1 hour candle, right? 1 hour candle also closing in a minute. Give me a second, Shubham. Yeah. Exactly, Mark. Yo, prime times. Yo, you got my 40? I got your 40 what? If you see a clean range for sell but 4 hour and daily is bullish, do you take a sell trade? No, Ronnie. I'd wait for the 4 hour to flip. 40 OZ, I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Am I blonde over here? Am I not getting something? Come on, guys, run those likes up. Let's run those likes up. And if you aren't subscribed already, come on, subscribe. Come on. Don't be shy. Hey, can I have the file to the magic keys because my balance don't look good? What do you mean, prime times? See, on gold, why are we looking for sells below this region, right? Because we'd be breaking 4 hour market bullish market structure. That's the only reason. Vedant, hey! Risa, through the market is moving real stupid. How's it go, my guy? Harry, GN meeting some serious resistance at high of the day. That is true. Some serious resistance at high of the day. Do you think we can clear this candle at least to come down? Because there's a nice 20 pip clean range coming down. Prime times, we're all broke prime times. With the market moving like this, everyone's gonna go broke. GJR candle open, no bottom wick. Yeah, I think if GJ respects this previous high, 13 pips away, I think we can expect it to continue down. Yeah, this 30-minute, I'll expect it to come down with volume, but it needs to respect the previous high. GJ buy stop. No GJ buy stop. GJ being inconsistent as usual. I made 6k before London open, then lost it scalping down. Oh man. 1%. Is there lot size not taking into account stop loss? Is there lot size not taking into account? I bet $20 GJ is gonna barcode starting now again. Possible? Very true. That is true. Liquidity. Why keep trading if you made 6k? Exactly. Stop bouncing your leg, you are shaking everything. Rista. Yes, my lads. Can GJ come down is the question. Or will GJ come down? Mental issue when you're coming from the bottom and see these kind of profits. It's hard to hit the break. That's true. That's very true. Made 6k and lost it all. Sounds like Daniel Savage. Yeah, JPEX really hates on Daniel Savage. Have you guys seen the the end of Daniel Savage by G1 Capital Hungry? Prime times. I got 30 years of powering makeup. Oh, man, you lads. Stop hate on people, guys. They use proper. This is funny. What is this boring nonsense, honestly? Yeah, we don't want to be toxic over here. We just want to do it better. Man, I'm gonna open my chart and start backtesting if this continues. $6k for the day, walk away, trade another day. Yeah, that makes sense. Yo, this is some nonsense. Why is it pushing? Oh, Mark, yeah, we really need to teach them how to risk manage. But the problem is, discipline. Discipline is a problem over here. Firstly, 1 second. On 11 a.m. I lost it at 1 a.m. Did you know? No, I don't know him. Make millions with $1k in one trade. Interesting. Stuck through the drawdown $1,000 account. Interesting. I don't know that guy, no. And did that actually happen? 745 in GJ buy. Man, you guys tell me that y'all bought like so late. When you rush to the money, these are the things that you can see happen. GJ, man, what is up with you? What's the size of your FTMO account? $25k. You have $300 left. You got to narrow it down a lot, man. 25-cent lots you have to use. 0.25. 0.25 lots, yeah. GU not GJ, yeah. Delta UK says he's in some GJ buys all the way from down here. Come on. Okay, it's alright. Did we get some news in as yet? In 20 minutes we have GBP news, so that should either push GJ further or not. I'm just not enjoying this market at all. What about you guys? What about you guys? Come on guys, like the stream. It's so terrible. It's boring. Patience is the name of the game, one of those days, but the day is young. Delta UK, that's true. Yesterday we did a gold sesh, so let's do a GJ sesh today. Yup, 30 Elmer 92. Charts are down till NY done. That's good. No point in looking at this rubbish, so had a nice move at pre-NY. We did everything necessary at pre-London, I mean. Alright, due to maximum demand, I shall take a look at GU. Hi, you think high CPI numbers for GBP will cause GJ to go down? I don't think so. I think the CPI numbers on GJ were positive, right? That caused GJ to go up. That caused GBP to rise. Let's see where we could have got this. GJ is boring now. Or what we could do is just go back and backtest on the charts over here, right? So if we look at my favorite time frame, the 30-minute time frame, guys, let me know if any interesting trades come up. Okay, we're just gonna go and backtest over here itself. We're just gonna look at the one trading setup we always look for, right? So like right over here, resistance, break of resistance, stops below current candle, whatever, 12-13 pips. And so when you go to the 50-minute time frame also, yeah, that looks pretty good. So that would have been just Look at that candle close. That would have been just a 11 pip stop loss. And there you go. You get a nice push on GJ right up there. So can we find, how many times can we find this trade setup? Alright. Look right over here. We have the resistance. We broke the resistance, broke the high, continued up. So over here we had our resistance. Over here you most likely would have lost the trade when we broke above this, because you would have been expecting to fill in this imbalance, right? This clean traffic, so you most likely would have been stopped on. And then we continue on the 30-minute time frame. Plain and simple, same thing. Okay, let's search for it. Let's just say in this day, right? So many barcodes. You form a resistance, right? We have clean traffic to the right. We broke up above. Took the trade. Just a small 5 pip stop loss to retest these previous highs. 66 pip gains, moved up, straight up there. And right over here we formed resistance, right? You could have expected to have taken a buy at the close, and the goal would be to put stops the break even as we reach these highs, right? So stops the break even as we reach these highs, and you pushed up easily 30-35 pips. You see that? All you need to do is focus for the right entries. Right over here you see the 30-minute support, right? You see price close below the support, so we would have our stops up here. So you'd have had like a 20 pip stop most likely if that was the case, or we would have only taken it on the break of this candle low. So we would have waited for it and we would have taken it based on the break of this candle, which would have been, yeah, on the half an hour time frame. Yeah, that would have been the break of this low, and we would have had much smaller stop losses for sure. But I think the minimum was probably 20 pips right over there. GJ follows a lot of good price action, I'm not gonna lie, okay? GJ follows a lot of good price action, but it just does what it feels like at times, you know? $27 pips, that's an alright move. Alright, now let's look at EJ. If this 30-minute closes below this level, I will give my first attempt on EJ sells. GJ, no traffic to the left until May 2016, nothing to stop bullish trend. This month sucks, that's true, this month is a little bit slower than usual. Let's try to capture these EJ sells, what's it? 1 hour break of the low. Oh, I just wait for the closure now. Yeah, I don't mind selling EJ once we break this low over here. 30-minute support. Yeah, we can have a nice 10 pip stop loss at least. Any psychological levels over here? Nothing to be particular about, but we have a 750 level over here. 450 level, sorry. Let's see if we can get the 30-minute to close and get a nice EJ sell. Yeah, we're gonna wait for a close. Hey JJ, how much money have you made? That's the question from J Biggs. Harry Mackin, yes, I'm waiting for a 30-minute closure in 9 minutes. Gold is continuing to push up. That's what you make when you go cowboy all the time. I'm up 1k today. I remember making my first, it is exactly a $2 trade while I was showering. I felt amazing doing that. Interesting. I think GJ can continue up. 45-minute flip. We should be able to continue. But you wanna be careful. That's what you make when you go. Thank you for the sub. From this 45-minute candle onwards, we can continue pushing. 45-minute candle flip. Euro JPY massive move up. Will GJ continue up is actually the question. What do I think about AJ? Let me just check it out. $15 pip stop loss. Yep, on GJ that will be a 15 pip stop loss. To continue up through this range, stops to break even. I'm just saying, guys, just take the day easy, man. You can see the markets are not doing what we normally expect it to do, right? Where price action is concerned. So just take it easy. Don't stress. Don't force any trades. AUD JPY has formed a resistance up here at a previous level, of course. Can we change the trend? Thank you for the sub, lad. So sells, I would say, are only here below 400 on AJ. So there you go, that's my thoughts on AJ. Wait for the 4 hour to close above 900 is the level that AJ is struggling to close above. You get a closure above this 900 level on AJ, oh, you're moving. So wait for that. What about GA? GBP AUD. Right off the bat we can see this level right here. Yo, NFX, what's good, man? I'm good, mate. How you doing? Wait, so was the car really high or were you high? Okay. Yeah. How are you feeling now, NFX? That's good. Have you been trading? Ooh, okay. Yeah. So you're using the EA on your funded account. Interesting. So GA, I would say it's in an interesting place. Buys above 550, 750, right? 75050. It's just that today the market's very choppy. Gold is just moving. Gold is literally moving. Come on guys, like the stream, subscribe if you want already. Let's get 100 likes at least. Come on, we're at 76. Come on, we can pump that up. Over here we are the market makers. I mean technically YouTube, but you know, this is our channel. Hey, I'm not trading on the 50-minute time frame on GJ. Let's go. Oh, Dominion. Try Dominion markets if you want. Yeah, Dominion markets do both. Yeah, Dominion markets, you know Raja Banks? Yeah, Raja Banks owns Dominion markets. Apparently it's low. Let me just check it out. You're trading Sanctuary. I think they're really good, honestly. I don't think I can check the spreads unless like I download, you know. But check it out, they're really good. I mean, Raja Banks makes millions every alternate day with Dominion markets, you know. For sure. No problem. Yeah, it's basically the same thing, right? Because your risk is still that 10%, your 1% trades are still like you on a prop firm 100k account, your risk is $10,000, right? $5,000, and it's 12%, right, with MFF? Like your complete drawdown to like completely run the account dry. Yeah, so that's why they say I've put it in general. You can take it off general. No problem. Gold can definitely fly. We're waiting for that. A nice little closure above. Let's wait for this 4-hour closure above 1977. And then we will take the next 4-hour flip up. Yeah. Is GJ gonna move or what? Or is GJ done with the move? Why do I feel like whenever I enter a trade, it always reverses? I used to feel that way too, trust me. A lot of times. Not even gonna lie. I used to feel like price used to use my trade entry as a support or resistance, you know? Sam, I'll give you my signals. If you go buy, you go sells, 100% problem. JJ, trust me, we used to discuss the exact same thing over here on the channel. Literally, there were days where I used to take trades with everyone, and it literally used my it literally used to use my entry as a support and then continue in the opposite direction. No, don't impulse, man, honestly. I feel like impulses aren't worth it, honestly. How do you manage to trade Asian while living in India? I wake up at 5 in the morning to trade Asian. If you want something bad enough, you'll wake up whatever time it takes, eh? Dun, dun. Let's wait for gold to close up and then we can get a nice buy in. So GJ responding to 164, you can see that. $164 is our level of resistance on the 5-minute time frame, unless this 5-minute decides to break. John F, thank you for the sub, my lad. Do you all think GJ is going to continue moving up or what? I think it'll move up higher. Possible? GJ above 164 100. I think it'll only blow up 40 pips more. How much did you lost in total to be profitable? Yo, I lost a lot in total to be profitable. Like, I'm talking like I bought different courses, I invested in like maybe $500 or $600 accounts, you know. It's the price you pay to be profitable. But I'll say all of it was valuable. All of it was very valuable. Here you go, GJ, phone support. Dun, 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 dun. $700. 4 pips away. Where's the trade manager? There you go. How much are we up? $12. Wait. Alright, that's 10%. Effect on Russia war has pushed UK to 30-year highs inflation, something. Where are you from, Ashish? I'm from Bangalore, India, my friend. So there you go, we've gone up 10 pips. Close part of it, 50%. Close stops the break even. We've now moved 24 pips. Another close partial. Let's close another part. How much do we have left? How much are we running at? $66. If we close the whole thing, we'd be up 2.6%. So let's close all. Wait. Oh man. It's fine. So you saw that we took an impulsive trade down to the previous 4-hour lows. So now let's see on the other time frames. 30-minute time frame. Okay, looks like we're gonna continue down on the 4-hour time frame. Where are we on the chart? On the 4-hour time frame, oh yeah, we are continuing down on the 4-hour time frame. Let's just see how we're able to do this. Alright, so this 4 hour time frame is almost flipping, so that means we have this resistance over here, which is the 4 hour time frame candle flip. Alright, now let's take a look at this. Is the 1 hour closed? No, the 4 hour just flipped bullish. Alright, so we've made this bottom wick. So if we do break these highs, I would say up here, 8 pips away, we should continue up, is what I'm gonna say. Right, stops will be below the previous candle. $420 ticks. We're continuing down. 1 hour time frame, continuation sells. Let's look at the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we're about to break the previous 4 hour low again, but we are at a previous 4 hour support almost. GJ moving down strong. What is GJ doing in real time? Anything interesting? Nah. So gold 4 hour, guys, let me know. JBiggs is selling it. Interesting. You backtesting? Yes, I'm backtesting. You know, there's nothing much happening in the markets today, and honestly, one second, I find GJ really boring right now, and so I'm just backtesting. Right, GJ looks like it's gonna reject. Let's see what happens. Hey bro, what program you using for backtesting? EJ might be going down. Check the 5 minute. Alright, EJ, I told you once we break this low, I will look at Richard Crafton. Bro, what we use soft 4FX, sorry, soft 4FX. Yep, there's nothing much happening honestly. GJ is just playing over here in this region, so the 4 hour candles are not able to reach up to this previous 4 hour resistance, is what I've been seeing. GJ is at a monthly zone. Yep, GJ is at a monthly zone, as we spoke about in the morning. You can see this level. I don't like it. Let's see what happens. GJ is dangerous. Okay guys, come on. In order for me to continue backtesting, can you all like the stream? Hit the like button. It's only 87 likes right now. Come on, yesterday we hit 180, I'm pretty sure, right? So hit the like button. Smack the like button. Let's run it up. Let's run it up. Thank you for the sub, guys. Brilliant, we're running those likes up. K1 beats. So yeah, okay, so there you go. Let's see, what we need is GJ to form a support and a resistance, right? GJ breaking the previous low again. Right now we're at some lower lows on GJ. Massive sell off on GJ. So when you look at this, GJ does require a lot of impulse entries, not gonna lie. Shall we try a sell over here after the big move? What do you think? Next candle gonna drive down or not? Let's just give it a shot. Oh, the next candle drove down, yeah. 12 pips. It moved down solidly. Okay, break even, close part. Impulse entry on point. We got taken out. One second, lads. GJ gonna continue down. So we got stopped out and it's continuing down. Interesting. So back okay, so if GJ breaks these lows, will we continue down? 1 hour time frame low, 4 hour. You know what I like about these 4 hour candles? We're gonna get a good buy back up. Which year is this on, GJ? It just sold off for years. Let's let this play out faster, a little faster. What's up? Do you trade gold? Yes, we trade gold. Is there anything happening on gold? GJ with the rejection again. Euro JPY, let's close below. Guys, honestly, I'm gonna call it a session in a few minutes. Let's get 4 more likes, come on. If when this gold candle closes, I will close my session. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm looking for gold to close above this level. Yo, liquidity killer, you play Fortnite? Yeah, drop me a text on Instagram or Discord. If you play Fortnite, Warzone, any of that, all 96 of you, if any of you play Warzone or Fortnite, drop me a text on Instagram. Instagram. Do you stream every day? Yes, I stream every single day. Alright, if anyone plays Fortnite, Warzone, yeah, just hit me up and we'll also hit up some no build mode. Yeah, John F, no build mode. No build mode. I will join, like, we'll put a Fortnite squad together and we go for it. You guys, how can y'all trade this nonsense on GJ, honestly? This is complete nonsense on GJ. I'm just gonna remove this and put this down here. I wanna sell it below this level. Alright, if anyone plays Warzone or Fortnite, hit me up on Instagram. We'll put together a nice squad and we'll go. Don't be too sweaty because, like, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a session, honestly. So hit me up on Instagram or Discord and I shall see you guys next time. Boring day, wait for gold to close above, right? The 4 hour to close above and then you can take some trade. I already got my fan on, so yeah, this market is going nuts, not good to trade right now. Yeah, let's just wait for it to clear up, eh? I'ma see you guys, take care, thank you for the support, don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Hit me up if you want to talk or if you have any questions and I will be right there. But until then, can we get the 4 likes to 100? Can we get 4 more likes to hit 100? We will consider that our W trade for the day. Pimpin' Pips, thank you, mate. Yes, we got to 100. Yeah, we can consider that a W trade. At least we got our 1-to-1 on the likes. So W's for the community. See you guys, take care, peace out and stay safe. Don't over risk, don't over trade, right? And be safe, man. Pimpin' Pips, love the energy, my guy, right? So let's just call it a stream. It's a W because we didn't take a loss, right? Not losing is also as good as winning, right? So we're saving our capital, preserving it for another day, for another trade. We're gonna win tomorrow. Let's just leave this market, leave the BS. Let's just go have fun, man. Come on, let's go, and we get paid to wait. All right, so take care, be safe. If you want to hit me up on whatever you want, Telegram, Instagram, Discord, and we can plan something out. Until then, I shall see you, lads. Ciao.